This video will offer you a glimpse of the application and DocuSign process your potential tenant will complete to kick off the tenant screening. As you've seen in the last video, once you click Invite, your applicant will be sent an email to fill out the rental application. This is an example of what the email will look like. It's addressed to your applicant and has your information, as well as a link to the application that the tenant needs to fill out. The first thing I want to point out is that if the applicant has any issues completing their application, they can always call us at our toll-free number here and we will walk them through the process. The first step of the application is identifying who the applicant was referred to the landlord by. In this case, we'll select real estate agent and enter in the real estate agent's name. In the next section, the applicant will need to add their additional information that was not supplied during the initial invitation process. Then the applicant will need to enter in an emergency contact. Then the applicant will need to enter in any additional persons who will occupy the property. In the next section, the applicant will enter in where they currently reside, as well as the landlord's name and contact information. There are also additional fields for the applicant to enter previous addresses. Next, the applicant can enter in their current employer. There are also additional spots for a previous employer. The applicant can also list other sources of income if needed. Next, the applicant can enter in all vehicles that will be located or parked on the property. In the next section, the applicant can identify if there will be any pets, and if so, what type, name, age, things of that nature. Finally, in this last section, the applicant won't answer any other required questions. Once the applicant clicks Apply, the application will be submitted. However, we've taken steps to ensure that all data is captured before this is submitted. If you'll notice, I'm not answering the last question. Once I click Apply, it should flag me that this needs to be answered. There you go. When your applicant submits their application, this message will pop up on their screen. It's advising them to watch for an additional email in which they need to DocuSign or electronically sign their application. Once your applicant submits their application, the DocuSign email should arrive within minutes. It's as simple as clicking Review Document, and then DocuSign will guide them through the rest. As you can see, all of their information has been pre-populated from their application into the standard Texas Association of Realtors Residential Lease Agreement. Click Start. Just need to pick a signature, sign, sign, and then click Finish. They can choose to save a copy if they want, and that's it. The applicant has completed their portion of the application process. At this point, you have been sent an email with the complete application DocuSigned for your review. Once you review this and you're comfortable with moving forward, log back into our website, click Order Screening next to the applicant's name, and the background screening will kick off instantly.